Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for thinking with God. We're only interested in the thoughts we think with God. Thoughts that are true, thoughts that are real, thoughts that are loving and kind and supportive and powerful, because our mind is the mind of God. So we place our hand upon our heart and we declare our willingness to think only the thoughts we think with God. So we're thinking with God. We're thinking thoughts that are true. We're allowing ourselves to truly rise up above the battlefield and to enter into the field of wisdom with clarity, and we're opening our mind to the truth, and the truth is flowing through our awareness. We're being restored and renewed and refreshed by the truth. We're so grateful to think the thoughts of God, the thoughts of love and peace and harmony and beauty and wisdom and truth. And we are so grateful that the thoughts that we're thinking are creative and powerful and are shifting and transforming our life experience, our relationships, our body. Healing at all levels is taking place because we're thinking the thoughts of God with God. Our mind is the mind of God now and forever. And so we're relinquishing attachments, grievances, grudges, complaints, anything that could stand in the way of our truly thinking the thoughts with God and living a liberated life. So grateful to claim our liberation, our wholeness, our perfection, our genius, and to share the benefits with everyone everywhere because we are eternally one. In gratitude, we let it be. And so it is. Amen. 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 Yes. So good. Yes, it is. Thank you for praying with me today. Thank you for being my prayer partner. I appreciate you. And I appreciate our connection. What's coming up is free forgiveness workshop on Saturday. Sunday's Mother's Day. I'll be doing Sundays with Spirit then. And just felt like it would be helpful to have a forgiveness workshop the day before Mother's Day. So please come and join me. All are welcome. Tell your friends. And then the next Saturday, I am doing my deep dive workshop. I'll have the details up in another day or two. We're going to be healing religious guilt. So this is by request, and I'm excited for it. Yes, this is a topic I have never spoken about, but I have a lot to say, a lot to share. I love you. Have an amazing, beautiful, powerful day thinking the thoughts of God. I love you.